In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text, also known as a marquee, in Wix. This is a great feature to enhance your website by showcasing messages or announcements that stay in constant motion, catching your visitors' attention. Let's dive right in and break down each step to seamlessly create this effect. First, in your Wix editor, direct your gaze to the left side panel and find the Add Elements button. This is where you can access an array of assets and tools to enhance your site. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a list of options. From here, click on Gallery. This option will bring up various gallery styles that you can incorporate into your web page. Now, select Showcase from the gallery styles. This specific option is tailored to present information or images in a dynamic format, perfect for creating a marquee effect. Once selected, you should place your showcase gallery on the desired area of your website page. It's worth noting here that you should ensure the showcase is stretched. This can be done by accessing the gallery settings to make it stretch to the full width of the page, maximizing visibility as it scrolls across the screen. After placing and stretching your showcase, your next step is to click on Manage Media. This section allows you to tweak and control what content appears within your showcase. Here's a quick tip. Selecting all will let you work with all items simultaneously, which is especially useful for bulk editing or deleting. Next, to make room for your new content, click Delete and replace what's currently there with text. Now, by clicking on Add Media, you can integrate fresh content. Under this menu, select Text, and here's where you start creating your marquee message. Make sure your text is clear by adjusting settings like color, size, and other stylistic functions available. This not only improves visibility, but also ensures that the message is in line with the rest of your site's design language. After setting your text, take a moment to access the custom settings. This feature permits a deeper level of customization to truly tailor the marquee effect to your preference. Once you have your text as you want it, hit Add to Gallery. Then solidify those changes by clicking Done. But we're not finished just yet. Navigate over to the Settings option and then click Layout. This is a crucial step in ensuring your marquee behaves as required. Within Layout, click on Slider and then opt for Customize Layout to select how it appears. Here, choose Fit to ensure everything lines up nicely. You'll also want to check the Loop Images box. This feature enables your text to continue scrolling without interruptions. Following this, select Continuous for a seamless scroll. Control the pacing of your marquee by setting the scrolling speed and spacing, ensuring it aligns perfectly with how you want the content to flow. Finally, highlight your customizations by examining the final product. Click Preview to see your marquee in action. And there you have it, a fantastic scrolling text marquee that's both eye-catching and professional. Feel free to tweak and adjust as you see fit, and enjoy the enhanced engagement this dynamic text feature brings to your website.